Hello everyone. This is Olayanju Aziz Ajibola. Um, we will be taking a series of WordPress Course Series, as you've seen there. It's based on web design and development skills. So we are actually focusing on WordPress right now. We will be making more series, more course content as time goes by. You'll be making course content that involves or that includes Python, includes Joomla, includes something you can easily understand and relate with, including HTML, CSS, and it likes. So you can just copy that URL or type it out. That's our YouTube channel. So we'll be uploading a a whole lot of videos there. So that's https then rb.ui/nqupx00 now, not who is 0. So with that being said, I'm just going to go straight to the course content. Here is just an introductory. So the content of the course series would be, um, as you can see, it has been segmented into seasons. Season 1. In season 1, we will be talking about, of course, introduction, talking about what WordPress is and what it can be used to build. Of course, we are trying to build a website. When I mean website, I mean awesome website, great websites. So we'll be talking about introduction in episode 1. You understand? Then in episode 2, we'll be talking about installing WordPress locally. So how we can get started with it. You understand? Then we talk about how we can install it on live server also. Then we talk about the WordPress posts and pages and things like that. Then we talk about content editor, which is Gutenberg to be specific. Of course, you can see that we actually specified a kind of a content editor just to tell you that there are numerous content editor in WordPress that people have built in. So that will be episode 5. So for episode 6, we'll be talking about uploading medias. Of course, you will have to upload images, upload videos, upload things like that. So, but there are a lot of things attached to that that you will be learning later. It is not the basic thing right now, but you're going to be learning why what is what on or why that is that, something like that. I don't know if you get grab that. So I'm gonna try. So if I say this is why, then you have to explain why the why has two branches and a long tail. You understand that analogy? So then we can talk about managing comments. Of course, um, I won't say much about that until we get into it fully. Then another thing is say working with widgets and sidebars. Then of course, then we talk about the last one on season 1 will be the menus. So with this alone, we should have a good or a standing website ready. You understand, with WordPress. So then that's for season 1. For season 2, we'll be having just 6 episodes there, and it will contain using the WordPress customizer, working with themes, working with plugins, adding and managing users, moving WordPress from one site to another, because that is another technical part again. Then customizing WordPress via settings and things like that. Well, this might not take too long, but it's worth discussing and separating into another season. The other thing here is the season 3. The season 3 contains 6 episodes also. Then here we'll be creating an online store. Of course, introduction to it. We will go deeper in subsequent seasons. Then the other ones here we'll be having installing shopping plugin. Of course, we are trying to create an online store, so we need to install shopping plugin. So by now, if you are patient enough to make it through to season 3, then it means you would have known what a plugin is and things like that. Then the other one here is adding products to shops and adding shopping related pages like the checkout, like the payment page and all the stuffs. So then we'll be adding payment gateway also. of course. This is a Nigerian thing, you understand. So we'll be integrating basically a Nigerian payment gateway, just for us to see the way things her. So then getting and analyzing sales analytics, of course. When you make sales, you need to analyze, you need to check, you need to see what you are doing wrong, you need to know the products that are selling more so that you need to stock your warehouse with such product, or just know how to source for that kind of product. So this is season 4. So season 4 contains just 5 episodes, sorry, 5 episodes. So it involves the building WordPress pages with Elementor, building WordPress pages with Visual Composer, alternative to purchasing WordPress theme, building WordPress sites from starter themes, and that is it. So we would be discussing a lot more about WordPress as time goes on. We might even create a season 5. But right now, we are stopping at season 4 because doing that alone, you've gotten a lot of things with on WordPress. So just leave the advanced WordPress things to us. So we are going to take care of that. So for now, I'm going to wrap up this video, and I implore you to join our channel or subscribe to our channel to see or to follow up with this series. We are going to be uploading them to you as frequently as possible. So within a space of a week to 1 month, we would have we by God's grace we would have covered season 4 on our YouTube page. So follow us, subscribe for new videos. Uh, See you later. Once again, I am Olayanju Ajibola. If you have any question or you want to build a website or something, you can just call on us. We offer custom solutions. We offer custom mobile solutions development. We offer custom API development. We offer custom development also in WordPress. Also, we offer custom development in Joomla. We Just call on us. We are going to respond to you as soon as possible. Also, if you're trying to create a BTU business portal, or you're trying to join BTU business, so you can head over to btubusinessportal.com, or just Google it, btubusinessportal.com. It's the only one on the top page, btubusinessportal.com. You are going to be able to sign up for free there. Then you can start your BTU business like almost, in fact, immediately within 5 to 20 minutes. Thank you. So once again, subscribe to our YouTube channel, please. That's how you can support us. Thank you.